Greetings everyone, Dr. Alex Marrero, your proud superintendent, and we are here at East. I know you see an incredible bus behind us. We're going to get to that in a moment. And we have some students, some leaders of this building standing to the left of me. I'm going to introduce Kate, who's the president of the Sustainability Club here at East High School. Kate, how are you?
I'm doing pretty well. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. I'm happy to be here. Excited to unveil this incredible machine. That is our third electric vehicle. And we hope by this time next year, we'll have 13, and by this time, 2 years from now, we'll have 23.
East High School Sustainability Club is also heavily involved with DPS Students for Climate Action, an organization that helped develop the climate policy that the school board passed involving these electric buses.
And it's been a great time being able to push the things that will impact our future, and being able to see the things that impact our future as we're pushing them is really amazing.
We've come together to celebrate the announcement of over $24 million heading to 13 Colorado school districts for new electric school buses to safely transport students to school and improve air quality.
In order to get to this day, it took commitment. Commitment from our student body, commitment from our Board of Education, commitment from our superintendent. That commitment turned into a resolution, and that resolution was to significantly reduce the carbon footprint of the district.
You're going to look back someday and say, I remember when they put the very first electric school buses into service. Not every day as a legislator, you get to see something that you were part of become a reality and actually hit the streets.
We made it a priority to help school districts convert to electric buses for a few reasons. One is cleaner air, and that of course means cleaner air for all of us, but also specifically for kids who board the buses, for drivers, for kids who are asthmatic. It's great to get rid of those diesel fumes. The second reason is it frees up more resources for the classroom, to pay teachers better, to reduce class size. By eliminating the fuel costs for school districts, DPS spends millions of dollars a year on fuel, and every electric bus helps zero that out.
I don't know how many students can fit on that bus, but 40, 30 students, that is 40, 30 students that would have been transported by a diesel bus before.
And I think it's so important that we have this bus because it shows a future where we care about sustainability and where it's something that we prioritize.
The way that we'll transport students will not be more effective, it'll be cleaner, it'll be quieter, and also make sure that we can attribute resources, much needed resources, into the classrooms. So it's truly a win-win-win-win scenario for DPS, and quite frankly, every district should follow us in terms of what we're leading, in terms of electrifying, but also sustaining how we engage to transport our students, but also everything around sustainability and climate action. Signing off, this is your proud superintendent, Dr. Alex Marrero.
DPS goes green!
DPS thrives!